Hey friends, it's Brenda. I'm going to show you how to paint this emoji with the bunny ears. It's almost that time of year. Well, let's get started. You're going to need some yellow and red and black. Plus I'm using a number 12 filbert brush and a number 1 round brush. Oh, and white. Haha, I almost forgot. And let's dip our filbert brush into our yellow and just make a big old circle. I think by now, if you've seen my other videos, I like to make the cheek art always really big, but you can make it whatever size you want. And I'm just pushing and going all the way around in a circle with my brush. I'm dipping the side here in with my red, and I'm just going to go all around the circle again on the inside of the circle just to give it some depth. You don't have to do this, but I like to do it. It looks cool. It'll look fine without though. Then you're going to load your filbert brush up with some red for the tongue. Give it just a little swipe right at the bottom. Clean off your brush and dip it into the white and make a slight little S curve up and a C curve down for the ear. For the other ear, it's basically an upside down V. And I make a few little sprigs of floof. Also, I'm just dipping my brush straight into the red just to give the ears a little bit of pink. Next, take your number 1 round brush, and with black, you're going to pretty much outline the whole thing. The mouth corners are like little triangles. And then just outline everything. And I just noticed that I have a bunch of paint under my nail and on my hand. I swear it's just paint. I've been painting all day. So I apologize. It looks kind of gross. I'm sorry. Alright, and rinse off your black brush, dip it into your white, and just give the tongue a little highlight. You can give its little head a little bit of a highlight. And then if you want to, you can outline the whole thing in white, or you can be done here, but again, I'm going to outline it just because it makes it pop. This emoji bunny is done. If you've enjoyed this video, do all the things and leave me a comment down below. You can also follow me on Instagram at FacePaintFriends. See you in the next video. Bye bye.